Okay, students, now that we have seen what are the different types of thermodynamic process, we'll try to solve one problem. So, in this problem, a non-flow system executes 4 different thermodynamic processes in a sequence as follows. So, 1 to 2 is adiabatic compression, 2 to 3 is isobaric heat addition, 3 to 4 is adiabatic expansion, and 4 to 1 is constant volume heat rejection. The temperatures at salient points are 300 Kelvin, 700 Kelvin, 1500 Kelvin and 600 Kelvin. The working substance is 1 kg of air, and Cp and Cv are given, and similarly the gamma is also given. You are supposed to find out what is the net heat transfer, net work transfer and net change in the internal energy. Okay, so what is meant by this net? Net means for all the different processes you have to calculate what is the amount of heat transfer, work transfer and internal energy during individual process, and then take sum of algebraic sum of all the quantities. If you take algebraic sum of all the quantities, then you will get the net heat transfer or work transfer for the entire cycle. Let us see how it can be done. So first let me give the given data. Given data 1 to 2 adiabatic compression, 2 to 3 isobaric heat addition, and 3 to 4 adiabatic expansion, and 4 to 1 is constant volume heat rejection. Okay, and the data given T1 is equal to 300 Kelvin, T2 is equal to 700 Kelvin, T3 is equal to 1500 Kelvin, and T4 is equal to 600 Kelvin. And what is essentially this particular cycle? Adiabatic compression, isobaric heat addition, adiabatic expansion, and constant volume heat rejection. So this is actually a diesel cycle. Okay, so if you draw the cycle, it will be something like this. Okay, so this is the cycle. Okay, so this is 1, 2, 3, 4, and this is adiabatic compression. This is isobaric heat addition. This is adiabatic expansion, and this is constant volume heat rejection. Okay, so this is heat addition, and this is heat rejection. Okay, so this is the cycle. This is essentially a diesel cycle. So each and every process, we have to find out what is the quantities that are asked to calculate. Okay, and here the other data given is Cp is equal to 1.005 kilojoules per kg Kelvin. Cv is equal to 0.718 kilojoules per kg Kelvin, and gamma is equal to 1.4. Because it is air. Air is the working medium in this one. The gas constant for air we can take, this is 0.287 kilojoules per kg Kelvin. Okay, and mass is equal to 1 kg. So let us find out each and every quantity for different process. For process 1 to 2. Okay, so here the delta Q 1 to 2 must be equal to 0 because it is a adiabatic process. Adiabatic process. During a adiabatic process, there is no heat transfer. Now we have to see what is the work transfer. Work transfer is equal to W1 to 2. We are doing work on the system. Okay, so this is nothing but M into R into T2 minus T1 divided by 1 minus gamma. So this is equal to 1 into 0.287 into T2. T2 is 700 degrees centigrade, sorry, Kelvin, minus 300 Kelvin divided by 1 minus 1.4. So this comes to be 287 kilojoules. Okay, so let us see this one. Okay, let us see the other one. For process, so here in this process we have to find out what is the change in the internal energy. So change in the internal energy delta U is equal to dq minus dw or delta q minus delta w. So here dq is equal to 0, there is no heat transfer, minus dw, dw is equal to the work transfer, that is minus of minus 287. Okay, so this is equal to 287 kilojoules. That means the internal energy has been increased because the compression has taken place. So obviously the energy of the system will be increased. Okay, so for process 2 to 3. So what is this process? This is isobaric. Isobaric means the pressure is constant. Pressure is constant. Okay, and what is the heat addition in this one? So delta Q 2 to 3 is equal to, so constant pressure heat addition means it depends on the specific heat and temperature difference. Okay, mCp into T3 minus T2. So what is this one? M means 1 kg and Cp is equal to 1.005 into T3, that is 1500 minus T2 is 700. So how much is this one? Let me already calculated this. So this is 804. So this is 804 kilojoules. Okay, so heat added is positive. You can see the sign is positive. And what is the work done here? Delta W 2 to 3. So this is the constant pressure and volume. What is the work actually? Integral of PdV. Okay, work done is nothing but 2 to 3 PdV. So this is nothing but P is constant. So P is P into V3 minus V2. V3 minus V2. So this is the, since we don't have volumes, we have the temperatures, you can as well write as m into R into T3 minus T2. Okay, so this you can write as m is equal to 1 kg into 0.287 into 1500 minus 700. Okay, this is the work done. So how much is this? This is 229. 229.6 kilojoules. Okay. Now let us see the internal energy. Change in the internal energy. Delta U is equal to delta Q minus delta W, or same thing, dQ minus dW. So what is the dQ here? 804 minus 229.6. So this is equal to 574.4 kilojoules. So you can see here, this is also positive. There is a increase in the internal energy. Why there is internal energy is increasing? Because we are adding the heat. We are adding the heat. Out of the heat supplied, some work, some amount of energy has gone in the form of work. Okay. So this is about the process 2-3. Now coming to the process 3-4. So process 3-4, what is this one? Adiabatic expansion. The adiabatic expansion, what is the T4? T4 is equal to 600 Kelvin and T3 is equal to 1500 Kelvin. Okay. So here again, because it is a adiabatic expansion, what is the delta Q? Delta Q 3 to 4 must be equal to 0 because this is adiabatic process. And what is delta W? W 3 to 4. This is the work transfer. This is the work transfer. The work transfer, it is nothing but mr into so here, sorry, just there is a small mistake. We have to take this one like this. So this is equal to 1 into 0.287 into T4. T4 is equal to 600 minus 1500 divided by 1 minus gamma. So this is equal to how much it is? 645.75 kilojoules. So here actually in the expansion process, what we are doing, we are getting work out of the system. So the work is positive here. Okay. And what is the internal energy? Change in the internal energy? Delta U is equal to, so this is 0 minus 645 0.75. So this is equal to 645.75 kilojoules minus. So what is this meaning? The internal energy is getting decreased because some amount of energy is converted into the work. Okay. Finally, process 4 to 1. This is constant volume. This is the constant volume process. So here, what is the delta Q? So delta Q is equal to mCV into T4 minus T1 is equal to 1 into 0.718 300 minus 600. So what is this one? How much is this? This is equal to minus 215 minus 215.4 kilojoules. Okay, so here this is negative sign means heat is rejected. Okay, negative heat rejected. Okay, so always you have to take the final state minus the initial state. So final state is 1, so initial state is 4 for this 4-1 process. Okay, so what is the work transfer? Delta W 1 to 4. This is equal to, this is a constant volume process. Constant volume process, the change in the volume is 0. That means normally what is the work done? This is actually 4 to 1 PdV. So this is nothing but 0 because dV is equal to 0 constant volume. Always remember, when volume is constant, work done is 0. Okay, so what is the change in the internal energy? Change in the internal energy is nothing but dq minus dw. So what is the dq? Minus 215.4 minus dw is 0. So this is minus 215.4 kilojoules. So here also the internal energy is decreasing because heat is getting rejected. So what is the total net heat transfer out of all processes? That means delta Q 1 to 2 plus the delta Q 2 to 3 plus delta Q 3 to 4 plus delta Q 4 to 1. So this is the first one is 0. What is the second one? Let us see what is the second one previously. Delta, that is 804.804 kilojoules. 804. What is the delta Q 3 to 4? Again this is 0. And what is the delta Q 4 to 1? This is 4 to 1. So this is minus 215.4. So the net heat transfer is, this comes out to be 584.6 kilojoules. So this is the okay. Similarly now net work transfer. So similarly we have to add all the works done algebraically. So in the first one the work transfer is minus 287 and the second one 229.6 minus 287 plus 229.6, then 645.75 plus finally it is 0. So this is comes to be 584.35 minus 287, okay, 584.35 kilojoules, okay. So here, so this is the